Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this brown smoky eye look. It's super simple. So let's get started. I've already done a layer of foundation here and my brows and primed my lids. And then I'm going to take the Shade and Light eye palette from Kat Von D and take that lightest color there and sweep that all over the lid. Then I'm taking this light brown color on a fluffy brush and kind of layering that up, starting with just a little bit, sweeping it up towards the brow bone and all over the lid and crease area. And then going back for a little more color to build it up slowly, kind of smoke it out. Then I'm taking this warm, darker brown color and blending that in the crease and then also onto the lid. Then I'm taking this brown eyeliner from Urban Decay in the shade Whiskey and just smudging that. You can be kind of messy with this because you're gonna blend it a little bit later with a brush, but smudge that all over the top lash line. And you can have it come to a point at the corner of the eye if you want it to be a little bit neater. And then I'm also putting that on my upper tight line, I guess. And at this point I needed to sharpen my pencil. It's a really soft pencil, but works beautifully. Then I'm taking this red color for my under eye and sweeping that under the lower lash line. Just blend it out with your finger if you need to. And you can kind of take that up into a little corner, shape at the corner if you need to. Then I'm lining my waterline with that same newly sharpened brown pencil and just kind of cleaning it up with a clean brush. Then at this point I'm taking this warm brown color to go over my brows because my brow color was a bit too ashy for this eye look. But you can do whatever you need to do with your brows. I like using this shadow for my brows actually. Then I'm taking the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel just to clean things up and set my brows. And then I'm going into my Modern Renaissance palette to get a little bit of gold shadow for the inner corner. You can also use a highlighter for this or any gold shadow that you have. But the little tiny brush is key for getting that fine detail. And then I'm also sweeping a tiny bit of that under the brow bone there. Or under the eyebrow, on the brow bone. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light and cleaning up under my under eyes and also using this shade to highlight. And blending that out using my dampened beauty blender. Then I'm taking some NARS translucent setting powder and setting my face with that. Then using the Benefit Roller Lash as my mascara. You can do a generous coat of this. Then I'm taking Bahama Mama by The Balm as my contour and bronzer. You can go pretty heavy. I feel like a really bronze face looks good with this eye look. Doing my 5 head. And you don't want to neglect the chin and jawline. Then I'm taking NARS Orgasm Blush and sweeping that on the apples of my cheeks. I like to blend everything out with a beauty blender at this point too. Then I'm taking my Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight, dabbing this on as my highlight on my cheekbones, also around the temple area, and down the bridge of my nose. For lips, I'm using MAC Lip Pencil in Spice and NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. And that's the finished look. Told you it was easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up.